Icy Pink Sparkle Nail Art Tutorial by Beetles. Span the full spectrum of color, embrace the timeless allure, celebrate the beauty of every style. Elevate your nail art to new heights and let your creativity run wild with this treasure collection. This kit comes with 100 color gels. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean nails after applying medium stiletto nail tips. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel, then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel as base color. Apply the base color evenly. Cure for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Apply a layer of matte top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Leave some color gel on a clean empty plate. Use a cotton puff with high density to create gradient effect. Cure for 60 seconds. It could make your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure for up to 60 seconds. Let's apply nail rhinestones. Apply rhinestone glue to the nail plate. Use the tweezer to pick up rhinestones and paste on nail plates. We need the liner brush to seal the rhinestone. Cure for 30 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done, now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.